The night is dark. Even the lights in the parking lot are being drowned out by the thick curtain of black. Work was hard as usual. The thunder's creeping up on me. If I didn't know any better, I could swear that I was being followed. Funny, thunder never had the same rhythmic motions as footsteps. If somebody was really back there, I'm too tired to turn around and check. The storm is coming, that's for sure. We don't need a weatherman in this town. You know it's about to rain when the bums make a shelter out of trash. I'm not in the mood for a fight. That thunder better be distant. I hate driving in the rain. My windshield fogs up, and the defroster never works. My attention is fixed on what's going on behind me, though. Those lights keep getting closer. Who is it? And what does he want with me? It's obvious that he's following me. Why else would he be flashing me down? Those damn brights. Maybe to make me disoriented. Maybe he wants my car off the road. Maybe he wants me face down in that ditch over there. I can barely see where I'm going. Good thing I know these roads, 'cause this is my turn. I really need an umbrella. Maybe if I stopped drinking, I could afford one. That chair looks so comfortable, even though it hurts every bone in my body. Who cares? It's right in front of the TV, and I need the numbing of a late night show. Only thing on is a black and white horror flick. People running from a monster. Story of my life. I wonder who it is. Sunshine finally caught up on me. I'll give him a chance to see another day.
No way. I'm trying to sleep here.
If I have to get up, somebody's gonna get hurt. Take a hint, kid. Okay, you got my attention. You're gonna regret banging on that door.
Boss said, getting kind of sloppy.
Listen, I don't know who you are, but I'm tired. I just want to go to bed. So can we do a rain check? I think it's fine. You got a headache? Ice on that. Cool off. Shower. Tell the boss I quit.
It's just another night in this damn town. Guess I'm gonna have to find another job.